Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will talk about Vidaylin L Syrup. What it is, its correct dosage, its benefits, and finally, its possible side effects. This syrup is manufactured by the multinational company Abbott Pharma. If we talk about its price, you can easily buy it from any medical store for around 296 pkr. Ingredients: Vidaylin L Syrup contains the following essential vitamins and nutrients: Vitamin D, Vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, Vitamin C, nicotinamide, choline, inositol plus lysine. Uses and benefits: Vidaylin L Syrup is a complete multivitamin and amino acid supplement. It provides energy to the body, improves metabolism and supports proper liver and gallbladder function, helps remove excess fat from the body, aids in physical growth and development in both children and adults, strengthens body cells and promotes healthy growth, works as an appetite stimulant, helping those with low appetite or loss of interest in food, strengthens bones and muscles by improving calcium absorption, making bones stronger, supports healthy teeth and gums, especially due to vitamin C and D, improves joint flexibility and strength, reducing joint pain in older adults, boosts the immune system, helping the body fight infections and seasonal illnesses, enhances memory and supports brain health, making it especially beneficial for children and students. Side effects: Generally, Vidaylin L Syrup is safe to use. However, if taken in excess, it may cause nausea or vomiting, stomach pain, diarrhea or constipation, allergic reactions in rare cases. Always use this syrup only as prescribed by your doctor. Precautions: If you are taking any other medicines or supplements, inform your doctor. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should not use it without a doctor's advice. Dosage: Children 1 teaspoon daily. Adults 2 teaspoons daily. You can also mix the syrup with milk or juice for easier consumption. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health related information. Thank you.